especially somebody in cartel position. You think would I want to trade position with him? It's sick in your head. No matter how much money him have you. You would trade position with him? Tell me now. Person who make that comment that say I'm a bad mind. You would I trade position with him right now? You would have go lay down with him there right now and give him the spot where you there? Call the woman there, tell her, say, yo, you want to trade with him. You would do that? Since you love him so much and me bad mind. No, I don't think so. You see me? So stop your foolishness. You understand? Stop me, I tell the man. You see him? Try to help the man out. Calm down. Humble yourself. You see him? Draw on your energy. You see him? Send a different word out to your fandom. You see him? And not because me say it first, don't mean say you still can't write the woman a letter. Write her a letter, you, make sure you're from you. Nigga. That she wanna hear. Make the people hear from you, the real thing. You know? Now you say them say you change and a God, you say yeah. Then hear it then. People will know. You can't fool the people no more. You understand? So do the right thing, my nigga. Yeah? And only in the comments, easy on yourself with the foolishness. A man up for no foolishness. You hear that?
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Well, this video has been going around where a young man who was in jail sent out a message to Cartel, and it's a long video and I listened it, but what jumps out at me is the retarded, let me say it again, the retarded Gaza fan, because the man do a video now and he tell Cartel the same thing what I have said, what many people have said. Stop put out the dirty music from prison, create a charity, help the kids them, show people you're making a difference. But what Cartel do, him have L.A. Lewis, no disrespect to L.A. Lewis, but L.A. Lewis actually on social media camera, you know, say my Obia, all of the Llewellyn or the DPP. No, this thing is his life, you know, and him have a clown, and you know, L.A. Lewis, sorry for calling you a clown, but you a clown, my youth. Out there, and I do that. You think that I go help VYBZ KARTEL case? It's not. And that's what this youth is saying. Now, the youth can make a point. Oh, them say, in bad mind, a lot of the people them from the girls are fun. I tell the youth all sort of thing. And the youth answer the question, say, oh, me for bad mind, VYBZ KARTEL or a man in a prison, when him have the life and media road with my family and kids. And I saw the man answer the question. Listen, I want to listen to this, and I will interject when I can, but listen to how the girls are fan them carry on, yo. Listen to all them style youth.
Oh, a quick video. I just want to address some of the people who want to make some comments on the Cartel video part 2 there. Thanks for all the comments, them, I appreciate them, yeah? All of them negative to me, I appreciate them. You know the thing already, right? Anyway, I know for all of the people who reply, just for some of them, well, not for laugh. I see one of the comments them say, Me bad mind. Me bad mind cartel. You know? And for answer him say, really? Eh? Only for bad mind a man with a prison youth with a life sentence behind him. Me and my yard with me pick them. Eh? Think about that one, cause that one that sound like you never have nothing but better for say like just a dunce comment. Now say a dunce, you know, but I comment there, dunce. Right? And you see for all of the people them know where I say, you know, just the fans them I do their cartel now, do them things and really now. Right? I mean I hate pan cartel and them thing there. That now go on, I hate pan it. See? I'm clearly here. Personally I think, and this is why I made the video in the first place, because personally I think that Vybz Kartel is a genius around a microphone. Wickedest thing never say around a microphone. See me? You hear that man that do some things for mic now, say bumbo clot youth. And that's why I make the video for the artists. See? So if you might do them things there, then if you ease off for them things there. Right? See if you not do them things there, then you see the fans them. I'm sorry for saying it, I'm not this year, I'm Mr. Lewis. Stop them things there, youth. Come on, Canada about I'll be a thing enough to stop them things that I'm not serve the DJ, no purpose. You see? So, you see, if it's not 8 on 8 the DJ and not play some reverse psychology upon the DJ, and if I stop them things there. You see, and send out better energy. See? Let me give you an example now. DJ, you see him smart, you know, you sang them, although you move them, some idiot move, I'm not afraid to tell you. Yeah. Watch you now. Suppose one day with the company internet now, and you say cartel write the DPP a letter. And the letter say, dear Miss DPP Paula, whatever her name want be. See? You know, I want you to know, say, you know, I don't hold nothing against you, because I know you're just doing your job. You know? And, you know, I me find myself in a them position, yeah. You know, you directly put me here. You just have to do your work. You see? So I don't hold anything against you, but, you know, I don't think that I was necessarily fairly tried. So, you know, though a whole heap of time and, you know, enough people out there look up at me and a big mistake was made, whether it was my mistake or the system mistake, whatever it is, we can blame whoever. You know, but enough time passed now and, you know, may I ask you, you know, if there's anything, if you can find any kind of, you know, leniency in you, you know, if you give me some kind of conditional break. You know, if you want to say me can't make no more Badman song or no more raunchy song or whatever the case may be, yeah, we cut that deal then.
I call you to a TikTok man. No, TikTok man. You say you tell Vybz Kartel right here, so he's not going to do it. You understand? Kartel is a sociopath and he's cousin with psychopath. You understand? Vybz Kartel is not gonna listen to you and write a letter and explain himself that he has done wrong and he needs forgiveness. Not on them dead body. And I guess so me and TikTok man kinda different. But make we hear some more TikTok man. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff. And any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.
The message me I send to the DJ VYBZ KARTEL, right? I think is necessary. Closest person out there right now, me here, I tell him the real thing. I don't want foot hype. Real thing foot hype, I tell you, and I fight him, I fight you. See, the real thing I tell the fans them. And easy, kind of make it harder for the man. I tell you that thing, right? You're there where you're there. See? The same thing where you're there for. See? A matter of fact, the day when them carry in a rising cartel, first day when you come on rising, visiting day, I'm there and visit. And I come after the visitor, you that me say, with your hand them hang out of the cell. See? The first day you're there. Right? So, I'm there where you're there. So I know me I said to you. Now, can't tell you this. You never know money, you never know liar. See, free me up out of this. So, I can tell you, so I look on my case, I look on my situation, and it's bleak, no hope. You see me? Now, you make a song say, well, you know, gangster go to jail, and a bar, or in a bar, whatever, all the lyrics, I remember all the lyrics though. See? I guess some friend that you have to know. You see? You have to put on all of them gangster thing there. See? And I feel so this is a message to you. Father, put it in a method. Send you out that message. I can miss up on the internet. Everybody a holler and a scream about free this and free this, but nobody now give the real method. One and two people I make you know yes, but now make you know the real thing. Me I go give you the key. Come out of this, sir. That me I go give you right now. The key. You see, the same key when me use to come out of there. You understand? I give it to you. Now whether you really guilty or not, if you're guilty, you know, my apologies to Lizard and the family them if you give you a key. You see me? But I believe every man deserves a second chance, or when you're guilty. God the Father give me second chance. So I would extend that to any man. So I'm not judge no man, I judge you. You see, I am disappointed, say you person, you is find yourself in a position there where you're there. And a talent there where you have is unmatchable. It's not for that it's a lockdown, so. You see, now the talent me really want to free up. You see, because I don't feel that talent they should have locked down the way they so. You see me? So it's not really about you for me. It's really love you as an artist. So here one of my friend, you have a part in the Bible. Right.
You a TikTok man I said to VYBZ KARTEL. You must say him can't really believe how VYBZ KARTEL get himself right there so. So when TikTok man I say, you know, VYBZ KARTEL have a mental problem. He's a sociopath. So TikTok man can't articulate it. He might approach it from empathy, but at the same time, if you notice, TikTok man is bothered by VYBZ KARTEL. How do I know that? He said he's not gonna judge him, and him not judge no man. And at the same time, he is very concerned as to how VYBZ KARTEL get himself in that situation. You understand? And that's what TikTok man I said. So I just kinda break it down. Cause if you listen to TikTok man, it's the same thing I say, but TikTok man is being a little bit more empathetic and sympathetic towards Kartel. When me I say, yo, him is a sociopath and him cousin, him borderline cousin with a psychopath. Because if you listen to TikTok man, him can't understand how VYBZ KARTEL don't write a letter. Now do certain things inside that, you know, if you sway the public mind, he say, yo, me change. Him just say, see VYBZ KARTEL a rat. And even on the, you hear mention lizard, TikTok man mention lizard, you know. So, right away, TikTok man see all of the red flags, but he might be diplomatic and he might try be encouraging at the same time. You understand? But TikTok man and a fool. Now we are play a little bit more on video from close to the last clip and then we will wrap it up. I just did want to give my opinion on this because I see this video floating around and thing, and I don't want to be a pessimist, but TikTok man, VYBZ KARTEL is not gonna do none of them things the way you talk about that.
The next message me I send to the DJ, to the artist, VYBZ KARTEL. Yo nigga, you need to keep your bumbuckled mouth shut in the so. If you want to come out, all of the moves them where you met in this from in this with your mouth, nigga, are wrong moves. I tell you that. You hear that? You see all of them energy the way you send out in the world and pan cell block, you need to draw them back in and keep your mouth shut. See? Keep yourself. Take it hard for you doing, because anywhere you're there right now, any cell in and any cell block you're upon, you're the done there, so I'm not ask. You see? So you see true that is the situation. You need to tell all of them niggas there were there around you. Watch out. Ease up our fire. You look for blaze out of this. Hear that? Cause you want to know. Let me show you a thing. I'll chuck your pass. Let me show you a thing, nigga. See, enough of them niggas there in the way you're there, round you, they don't want you come out. Style them under. Me I tell you that. You see me? Them don't want you out of that. Don't fool yourself. You know why? Because you are the money man on the block. So you think they want the money and you're the biggest money man in the building. So you think they want you left out of the building there? Not only the jail of them, but the blood clot guard them no want you left out of there. You see me? You see how much energy you have to fight you, nigga. Now watch you now. Watch the reverse bomb clot thing them a try upon you out in the world. You have bomb. I mean not this. When call himself the emperor, I mean not this him. But him need to easy with them hobby business, and this woman here from Canada, but she come here about she go tie up all alone the steering wheel and them fuck with them. No sense.
With what Laser Man I said, because all of the thing where VYBZ KARTEL I do from jail, I never want see him give anything no charity, him no keep no treat up more, none of that. And the proof is in the pudding. Because you hear what TikTok man say, in their jail, I carry on the same fucking thing. He is a sociopath. Look, me have a video accompany me now. And this video, it gonna be very shocking. Because in this video when me I talk about, not when me I do right now, TikTok man raise some serious concerns And me I will explain that in another video thoroughly what I think the approach with prisoners like him, VYBZ Kartel, should be dealt with. You understand? But all the TikTok man are saying, VYBZ Kartel still there jail. I move like pussy with the bagger man them, and I control the fucking block and the range them where him go. You understand? And the man I explained to him, you now go come out like that. Now, let's be real. I over 10 years in there now. So obviously, him know the place in and outside because him there for a while. So obviously him turn prisoner and him get institutionalized. But the youth, what the youth do, the youth warn him, and the youth, like me said, the youth really see what's going on. But I guess in himself he wish VYBZ Kartel was different, kind of same talented, this, that, blah, blah, blah. And the youth know what go on. Because in a certain part of his video, he refers to, like, oh, if you kill Lizard, oh, me don't know if you kill him. You understand? And him kind of hitch it around. So there's a couple key points. So you actually know who VYBZ Kartel character is. You also know that VYBZ Kartel are dig a rabbit hole, because how can you have a potential retrial and you constantly at this the director of prosecution and constantly a put out stuff, constantly a chat? You understand? How can you do that? But VYBZ Kartel, sociopath, that's why I can't do it. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Like me say, me have another video come out on Kartel tomorrow. I'm out.